Blendr is up over 100%. It's killing it right now. Let's talk about Blendr because this is like the flipping Titanic. It's been sinking, man. Just flipping, just dumped on my damn face. We're sinking like the Titanic. I'm holding on to the flipping, you know, they got that flipping, what is it? It's like a door, innit? Just holding on. And she'd be like, let me just do my whole granny first. Hold on. Young man, I'm sinking, young man. There's a boat, Jack. My name ain't Jack, it's Jay. No, young man. No. There's a boat, Jack. I don't care, you ain't getting on. No, young man. No. Guys, welcome back. Is this sound interesting? Drop that like and subscribe. Look, this thing's been sinking, man, but it's now on its way back up. And look, there's just a fine opportunity. All those people that were doubting this, the main doubt, I told you before, was because it wasn't supposed to be decentralized. It was using Amazon Web. What's it using flipping Amazon Web Services for? You're supposed to be decentralized. Yeah, I know you can get it cheap, and I know you're just starting off. But what is not decentralized? Now it is. And it's been decentralized for the last few months. So, I don't know. I've always felt like this was a good buy. Up 110% is killing it. Who bought the dips down here? Look, flipping 32 cents. Because you're sitting like a boss. Well, we did. Patreon. If you was a Patreon, I've been buying this. I've been dollar cost averaging, DCAing. If you was a Patreon, my last buy alert, September the 7th, we were buying this at 30 cents a piece. So yeah, it kind of makes up for the little falls that we've had. I mean, if you're like me, I've been throwing big money in this, even at 30 cents, because you're flipping 500 grand there. Just play along with me. Flipping fell down. I've only got 200 grand left. Let me put another 300 grand in. 300 grand at 30 cents. Yes, we're back up to flipping. What is it? We're back up to 70 cents. I've got $1 million now. Anyway, I've just got too much hype. This is not financial advice. Do your further research. I like Blendr. When I look at Blendr, I just see render. I remember getting it on render right under $1. And it shot up. I made good gains on this, and I still think long term this is a great buy. It went up to look how high it went, $13. I know this is going to go to about $60, and I'll talk about both, right? But more specifically, Blendr. But Blendr is your next render. If you missed this, I'm just letting you know. And I had so many people, even like people in the VIP group, some of them are just like, nah, Blender's dead, man. It's not coming back. Told you it's a scam. I can't believe you're still buying this because I put the buy alert September the 7th, which is about there, right? 30 cents. And when I drop the buy alert, I see people in the VIP group like, Jay, what are you doing, man? I already told you this is a scam. Why are you buying this scam for? I don't know if he knows what he's doing. This is all in my VIP group. I don't think he knows what he's doing. Like, why is he still telling us to buy? I wasn't telling you to buy it. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. My buy alerts are not financial advice. You can follow me if you like. But let's say if I did put 100 grand there, it's now worth over 200 grand. So far, so good. I like to make it sound like I got money. Anyway, I have, but yeah. If you've been around my channel, you've seen madness. You've seen me. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So 75 cents. I think in the long term, this is going to do really, really well. This is your next best opportunity for a rendering service project in the crypto space. And I have been favouring this for a long time, regardless of all the madness. Let's take a look. Anything going on over at Twitter? Nothing new since then. What's this? That was April. The last post was September the 3rd. Look, join Gateio and Blendr. So they're doing a little partnership thing over here with Gateio, which is cool. Take the quiz to share 5,000 Blendr. Okay, cool. This is what you want to see. Like, even if it is quiet, they're doing something. Meaning, like, the market's been falling, everything's boring, people are fed up. You want to just make sure that the projects that you're invested in are still doing something. So, doing something with Gateio, that's cool. What's this? 50k buybacks when it fell down. Yep, cool. So yeah, we'll see what happens. The last thing I remember seeing, which was quite a major step for them, was building this whole, that's showing you how to set up the nodes in a decentralized way if you guys want to do that. If you want to go fully decentralized and, start running your own nodes and stuff over here to offer some GPU computational power. This was the thing that I saw, which I thought was a good look. They're showing that they're building the Blenderbox because they really boast this on their website. And it does look good. I like all the different, if it can do, it's not about the colors. If it can do what it says on the tin, then this is probably what we want. We just want to buy the box. it can run the nodes and everything that we need to. And the good thing as well would be is if you could use this Blenderbox to run other nodes. I don't know if you can, because it's got the power, it's got the computational power to maybe run other nodes from other projects. That would be good if you can, because essentially it's a PC, isn't it? PCs can do that. So when you come down here and take a look, I haven't really dived into this Blenderbox. Where is it? Here we go. Blenderbox 1. So a cutting edge plug and play solution that allows users to host a Blender node at home, enhancing the decentralized GPU network, offering passive income. I suppose it's mainly just for Blender then, because if you want to make big money with offering GPU power, you just need to make sure that power is just for that. And that's what this is then. So, you come down here, it's got the RTX 4060 in there, optimized processing complex tasks. And it just uses that full GPU power just for the Blender network. So cool, I get it. Offering passive income opportunities. So you will get paid for these services. It's your gateway to the advanced rendering and AI computing. You see, I said this before and I'll say it again. The AI is advancing. And I've been seeing the latest videos. It's insane what AI... It's so hard to tell now if a video is real or not. And when I was looking at flipping... Oh no, I keep saying flipping. It's better than swearing, isn't it? I was looking at OpenAI's recent stuff with this O1, right? This is their next model. It's so flipping clever. Because the AI now thinks before it does stuff. You're gonna have to watch all of this. It's just crazy. And then I saw, where's OpenAI? I saw some of the videos that they dropped. I hope I can share it. I was just blown away by the videos that it was sharing with what is AI. This one here. I'm a player. I don't care if I get sense. I'm gonna flip and play it. How is that AI? Because they all look flipping Look. This girl does not exist. None of them exist. It looks like a music video as well. Oh, I'm flipping. I don't want to get censored. Just flipping, turn up. Just pause that. Censor me. Censor me. It looks so real. How can you tell in the future? I mean, this could blow influencers out of the water because look at them. They're all AI. How would you look at the hands? Look, there's like 17 different hands in a minute. Watch. Oh, it's not, they're all beautiful. Some look like men. I'm just saying. Look at the hands. Look. Because you can see different hands and stuff. Look, there's too many hands. But it just looks good. It works. It works because it feels like a music video. But this is showing you the power of where AI is now. Like, it's making women that look real. It's mad. This is what Sora can do. Look at her. So what happens in the next 5 years? Because if we're busting this in 2024, look, they're all holding the flipping camera. Yeah, Diddy's another story. What happens in the next 5 years with AI? Well, in order for it to get more advanced, we're going to need stuff like this. We're going to need the Blenderbox 1 because we're going to need to offer this computing power so they can build larger LLMs, which is large language models. We're going to need advanced computing power resources like the GPU box to do lots of things. Natural language processing, NLP, which is when we speak with our chat GPTs and stuff, and it can talk more fluently. Sometimes when I talk to chat GPT, I hear it go, well, when we do this, what are you saying for? Like you're trying to think to me, I ask you, because Siri can't do that. Siri's crap now. You ask Siri something, I'm searching for you right now, it's blah, blah, blah. You didn't say You want to hear the because the feels that you're talking to. Maybe if you go over this, you want to hear the I'm talking too loud. People be like, "What's going on in that room?" I want to hear the to hear the I need to have good NLP, natural language processing, so it sounds like I'm talking to a real human. Blenderbox could make that happen. I'm bullish on this. Are you? Are you buying more of this? Or whoever's been buying, people have obviously been buying this, feeling the FOMO, feel like they're missing out on these big dips down here because it's been pumping. If it goes back to its all-time high, I make over $1 million, and that's not even a joke with the amount of money. Well, more than that. But I feel like it can go higher. I know it's going to go to $4, so that million's cool. That's locked. That's like a locked million. And I'm not to be in a big. I'm just saying because I've been sharing this for a long time. Look, you come into flipping YouTube and just type Blendr Network, you're only going to see my fat face. You ain't going to see. Well, you might see a few others, but it's my fat face that's just been talking about Blender. My fat African chubby face. Look. So you got old Daily there be talking about Blender, but you know, it's just me. It's just me. Unless people will come about and start, you know, making dedicated videos on Blender. But I don't know. I feel like I can see it because I made massive gains in render. I feel like I can do it with Blender. I feel like I'm gonna do it with Blender. And yeah, as time goes on, you'll see. So hopefully this was entertaining for you. Nothing's financial advice. If it's helpful, drop that like. I've had people saying, look, do another video on Blender, you know, because it's going up again. Yeah, it's going up, but it's massively down. Let's just keep it real. Yeah, it's going up 100%, 110% is good, but it's flipping down, flipping 80%. So we want to see Blender come, just, you know, maybe I should do I'll tell you what, I'm going to bring an analysis video for Blender. Do you want to see it? Like and subscribe, stick around. I'm going to bring an analysis video, show you what's going on with Blender. Yeah? So I'm going to leave it here. Become a Patreon. Link is in the info section. Click it. Highly recommend you check me out. I have 7 tiers. Take your pick. Recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, this one here. Loads of different tiers, like I said. You choose which one's best for you. If you can afford it, the next tier above, my CEO tier, like I'm all about laughs and giggles, gives you access to the VIP Telegram group. You'll have some insane knowledge over there. It's insane insights. You've got smart investors that understand trends. People are good with analysis. I'm good, but they're good as well. You've got millionaires in the group. You're basically part of a powerful network. And you're going to need it in this crypto space. You're going to need to know what the hell's going on. My group never sleeps. If something hot is happening, my group knows about it first. Oh, no, know about it. No, yeah, knows about it first. I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.